Imagine the environmental impact of our annual holiday traditions. It's more significant than many realize. Every year, UK households discard approximately 168 million Christmas lights and a wide array of trendy, fast-changing electronic gadgets. This staggering figure isn't just about clutter, it highlights a deeper issue surrounding waste and sustainability during the festive season. Recent research conducted by the non-profit organization Material Focus sheds light on this problem. The study estimates that last year, around £1.7 billion was spent on Christmas lighting alone, which includes an astonishing 39 million sets of fairy lights. In addition, consumers purchase about 28 million other illuminated decorations, such as garlands, wreaths, stars, and snow globes. The list also features around 23 million illuminated figures and characters, along with 16 million pre-lit Christmas trees. This data was gathered through surveys of roughly 4,000 UK adults, who were asked to report how many inexpensive light-up items they bought and how many ended up in the trash. By extrapolating these responses to the entire population, researchers arrived at a figure of 168 million discarded items. But here's where it gets controversial. Many of these discarded gadgets are powered by batteries, and improper disposal can lead to dangerous consequences. Battery-powered electronics, especially when thrown away or recycled incorrectly, pose serious risks. In fact, waste centers and bins have seen over 1,200 battery-related fires in 2023-24 alone, representing a 71% increase from the previous year. Most of these incidents stem from poor disposal habits, such as batteries being crushed in waste collection processes. Adding to the concern, separate studies reveal that around 1.1 billion electronic devices and 450 million batteries are irresponsibly discarded each year. This not only contributes to environmental pollution but also increases the risk of fires and hazardous waste. Scott Butler, the executive director of Material Focus, emphasizes that while the tradition of exchanging fast-tag gifts and decorating with temporary, disposable Christmas lights helps create joyful holiday memories, it also leaves a lasting environmental footprint. He suggests that as the festive season ends and the lights break or become outdated, it's an opportunity to start the new year with more sustainable choices. His advice? If items cannot be repaired, donated, or resold, they should always be recycled properly. Special attention should be given to electrical devices containing hidden batteries. They should never be mixed with household waste or recyclables. Instead, they must be separated and recycled at designated facilities to prevent fires and reduce environmental harm. So, the next time you're tempted to toss out holiday lights or tech gadgets, ask yourself, could this be reused, donated, or responsibly recycled? Small changes in our disposal habits can make a big difference in protecting our planet. Do you agree that we need stricter rules and better awareness around electronic waste, or is this just another case of eco-anxiety? Share your thoughts below. What's your take on holiday waste and sustainability?